For centuries, cash represented freedom you could physically hold, a universal symbol of trust that required no permission, no systems, and no intermediaries. Then quietly, without resistance or announcement, the world began moving away from physical money, not because cash failed, but because convenience slowly replaced necessity. Shops started preferring cards and screens. Payments became instant and invisible, and cash began to feel outdated in a world obsessed with speed and efficiency. What seemed like progress subtly reshaped behavior as access to money became less about possession and more about connectivity, verification, and system approval. Cash did not disappear overnight, but it slowly lost its importance as digital payments offered safety, traceability, and control on a scale paper could never match. Over time, the option to use cash became exactly that, an option, and in many places, that option began to quietly disappear. Entire economies learned to function without touching a single note, where money exists only as data, moving faster than people can follow or fully understand. The shift did not arrive with force or fear, but its impact is permanent, redefining freedom, access, and control in a world where money no longer needs to exist physically to matter.